So over at Premier West again, and let me get these little tampons out of my ear. And they are getting ready to work on Kate. We've had a couple seals go bad on the front axles and then the rear main seals. So just a little much needed TLC to get her back and trail ready. So the rear seal is probably a result of the rear drive shaft having a little bit of a vibration on it. We hit some stuff and, you know, it knocks it out of balance, and that can cause the seals to fail. And that's kind of what happened to us before on the front as well. We had a rear seal go out, and the front drive shaft was again out of balance. But those JE Reel drive shafts take a lot of abuse. So Carlos and I talked, and we're gonna do a quick little demo of how all the Yukon gears have held up after about a year of trail abuse and daily driving. He's gonna run the pattern again and see kind of where we're at.
Great. They're doing great.
Yeah, is that kind of where we want to stay? Yep. And this is like a lot of trails with this thing.
So you can see they're still centered. They're not high or low. They're still where they need to be.
Very cool. So after about a year or so of, you know, daily driving, being on the trails, we ran the pattern again on the diff, and Carlos says it's holding up really, really well. We're still solid, yeah?
We're still doing solid. Yukon gears hold up.
You heard it. Getting a shiny new cover for the front. Wasn't really expecting that to go down. I thought we'd just put the old one back on and fix the bottom bolt that got smashed, but I'm happy. That'll look really nice. So when the axle seal goes bad, what is it exactly that's going bad?
So it can seal from the outside part of the seal, which is this where it seals with the housing. That red line right there? Correct. So as soon as I press the seal back into the housing, that's going to spread open.
Got it.
Or the inside part will start leaking through the axle itself.
Okay.
So it can leak through here or it can leak through here.
Because there was a lot of oil coming out, so that thing failed pretty good. These are the old ones?
These are the old ones, and here's the new one.
Got it. Huh. Oh yeah, and you can see, so that seal in the middle, that just gets smashed.
Correct.
Got it. You can see that whole seal.
So
is
you see, there's a...
Oh, that's not good either, right?
This right here will holds the tension to seal with the axle itself.
Got it.
When this gets loose, because of the way you're maneuvering through all the terrain, all the different terrain, if you're flexing a lot, then that rubber's gonna expand.
It's gonna expand and move and unseat. Got it. Very cool. Before he puts on the LubeLocker, he's going to go ahead and clean off the surface to make sure that when he makes his seal, everything is super clean. So we got the LubeLockers because it's a quick and easy seal. You don't have to wait for anything to dry, and they're reusable as well. So good one-time investment for a much easier time. Over at JE Reel, we're we're getting a rebuild on our rear drive shaft, and we're going to pick up a new one. That way we'll have a spare, and they've been good enough to make that happen. So always super appreciative of JE, and looking forward to getting Kate back in shape and back on the trail. Here's a side-by-side comparison of a year of abuse and brand new. Shit. Now that the yoke's installed, he's going to recheck the tolerances and make sure everything's still solid. Nice. Much better, right? Right in the center?
Oh yeah.
So gears are still holding up good after a year?
Still good.
Nice. Perfect. You can see the pattern right there. You want it in the middle, nice and center, and that's what we've got. Very cool. So the rear is about to get finished. The front's already done. They checked the tolerances on both sides, on the front and the back, and we're looking solid after a year and quite a few trails. Everything's still holding up really well. So I'm really happy with the decision to go with Yukon and the work that Premier has done. It's still going strong. So stoked. They're just wrapping up right now on the Jeep, and I will be on my way in about 20 or 30 minutes. New seals, went with LubeLockers this time too, so no more RTV. Also swapped out the rear drive shaft thanks to JE Wheels. So a lot got done today. A lot of peace of mind happened. Next, I'm going to focus on under the hood with the supercharger, swap out the belt, tensioner, get new plugs, new serpentine belt, and that should make some of those little noises that I've been getting underneath the hood go away. But good things coming. Probably about a week to 2 weeks out of like having her totally back.